Hi, my name is Teresa and I run the Techie Teacher webpage, and I'm going to show you how to create a document in Google Drive today, or in Google Docs depending on which lingo you use. In order to use Google Drive and Google Docs, you need to have a Gmail email account. So if you haven't done that and you haven't registered for one, that's going to be your first step. Is you're going to need to go over here to create an account. And once you do that, you'll log into your email account. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in to my email here. And it'll take you right to your email. You might have a different color on the background. I've played with my color. Up along the top, you have a bunch of different features here that Google provides you with. You want to click on Drive. And it'll take you to a screen like this. And you can see I've got a few documents in here already in my Google Docs, but to create a new document, a student would go to Create and Document. Once in the document, it's going to look a lot like a very simplified version of Microsoft Word. If you click on Untitled Document, you can change the name here. You can type your text in the body. You can see that you can rotate things. Normal text is the default. You have a couple of options as far as the type of text, the fonts, the size, bold, italics, underline, text color, highlighting, and so on. One of the things that I, as a teacher, really like about using Google Docs is it gives me the ability to use this comment function. But in order to fully use the comment function on a student paper, they have to give me the right settings. So if you are being asked to share your document with somebody else, you want to click on Share. And I've had to do this a lot in the classes that I take and the classes that I teach. And so in the classes that I am taking, if I want my classmates, and I don't know them all, it's an online class, to be able to access my document, I'm going to change who has access here from private to anybody with the link. And then click Save. And they can view it. I want my classmates to be able to comment on my work. Sometimes if I'm collaborating with a partner, I want them to be able to fully edit, highlight everything. And so you can choose which one of these options. So view just means they can see it. So edit gives them the most function. As a teacher, I let my students allow me to edit and give that, because then it means I can go through and highlight particular sentences in their work and comment on it. The can comment only allows me to just make comments on the side. But Google has given a new feature that I'm not sure if it's in yet, but it's going to be where you can do voice comments for students. So I'll do a separate tutorial on how to do that and use it. But for now, I'm just going to click Can Comment and Save. And so now what you want to do is hit Control-C or Edit Copy to be able to save this link. Another way that you can share with people is if you know their email addresses, you can change it, you can add them down here, and then that gives them the right to look at it as well. But if you don't know the classroom, online classroom setting, this is the best option to use. It's just to share the link with them. So I'm going to go ahead and click Done. And to make a comment for my teacher, say here, I'll add more to this later. You can see it's just kind of like a little post-it that shows up. And when you have the full function, see how this is highlighted? It'll highlight the text. If you are a guest viewing this document and you've only got the link, then it's going to give you a different option. So here I'm going to go ahead and close out of this. So now you'll be able to see that in my Google Drive, if I refresh my drive here, I'm going to now have that new test document tutorial. It's going to tell me that it was shared. I'm going to go ahead and log out of my account just so that I can show you if somebody gives me access to the link, what can you see? So if somebody gives you the link, you'll see their document. But note that in order to comment, you are going to have to sign in because it's going to put your username where it says the Techie Teacher. So if I was going to make a comment on her page, in order to do that, I need to be signed in to Google, to my Gmail. So hopefully that helps you in understanding how to create a document in Google Drive. So again, create your Gmail account, sign in, click on Drive, go over to the Create button and create a document. The other option here is Upload. So if you have typed a document in Microsoft Word, you can go to Files, you can find that folder on your computer and upload that as well. So you've got a couple of different options as far as that goes. Also notice that in addition to creating Microsoft Word documents, you can create Power presentations that are compatible with PowerPoint, spreadsheets that are compatible with Excel, forms, which is a super handy tool. I've already done a tutorial on how to use this to do surveys in your classroom, but it's great for quizzes and other things. And then there's a drawing app. And I like that I have folders so I can organize things. So you can see my homework from my class. I've got different things I've uploaded, pictures that I had to have. I have folders within folders, and that can help my drive here look clean. And if somebody shared something with you, you'll be able to click on Shared with Me, and documents that other people share with you are going to be here. So hopefully this is helpful to you and you don't have any questions, but if you do, please send me an email, let me know. Take a look at my website, thetechieteacher.com. Let me open that up for you. Take a look at my site. And hopefully I'm adding to this. It's a pretty new site, but you'll see that there are going to be blogs here and different features. So hopefully something here will help you in your teaching. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks.